Hey everyone, welcome back to the Wood and Metal Shop. Today I'm going to be putting these do-it-yourself silicone molds to the test by casting some pen blanks. I'm going to be using some Ecopoxy UV epoxy, and no, I'm not sponsored by them, it's just a brand that I use. Plus I'm going to be using some pearl colors and maybe a few other things to put into the mold. And if you haven't seen the video on how I make these, I'll post a link just up above so you can go and check that out. Also, now's a good time to hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and ring that notification bell for when I make another video, which is now starting to be twice a week. Plus all my social media links are posted down below, and my Patreon link is posted down below because I will be making exclusive videos for Patreon as well. So you want to go and check that out. So let's get on to casting some pen blanks. I have my part A and B and my part A and B because I'm going to mix two colors. For this set I'm going to mix some pearl it's probably a little bit too much, but I want a little bit of an intense color. Keep your sticks on the same side. And this one is called Americana. I'm going to mix the part A's into both of the part B's and then mix them thoroughly and then let them sit for a few minutes, and then I'm going to try and pour each of them together into one mold to blend them. And I'm going to mix this so that I try and not to incorporate air into it. That's why I mix the colors in first and then let it settle. Okay, I'm going to let those sit for a few minutes and then I'm going to pour it. Okay, that is ready for pouring. So what I'm going to do is try and pour these together. Alright, I'm going to put that one aside. Now for this one, I pour a bit of red. Put a layer in. Don't really want to press and mix it, so I'm just going to let them sit. Now, without me moving the cameras, I'm going to see If I can just put the pressure pot right here. Yep, that works. So I'm going to put this first one in. I think what is happening is the beans are starting to float. I'm going to put this one in the pressure pot. And then set this other one on top of it. I can put another weight on top of it. There. Okay, let's see how these look. I've not taken these out of the mold or anything like that, so let's start with the red one. It's stuck to the bottom from something overflowing, so it looks pretty good. These are coming apart really good. Like, didn't even have to spray any sort of demolding spray. Look at that, they just pop right out. Actually, that's not going to be too bad. They look pretty good. That's that one. Now for the coffee bean. Try and take it out. It's one piece. Okay, I put this on top just to press the beans down, and being silicone, it is came off pretty good. This one is a little sticky on the bottom, I don't know why. And it is, it's actually sticky. It's set, and the beans did float up a little bit. There's a little bit of a gap there. A little more mixed than what I wanted anyways, so, but still it turned out pretty good. And I don't know why, but it's sticky and the other one isn't sticky. So I'll have to let it sit. The silicone molds turned out pretty good. They're really easy to use, really easy to make. The pen blanks turned out pretty good. These are a couple that I made previously. They did not stick in the molds whatsoever. They just popped right out. Would I be using this in the future? Sure, why not? For small things, yes. For bigger things, no. There are many options for making molds. This is just one of them. So I hope you liked the video, and if you did, give me a thumbs up. If not, give me a thumbs down. Leave a comment or a question. Please share. Also, please subscribe and ring that notification bell for when I do another video, which will probably be on Friday. And all my social media links are posted down below. And my Patreon link is listed down below. Also, if you want to send me a sticker, just leave me a comment or a question down below about that, and I'll tell you how. So, until the next time, take care.